Drones have revolutionized how we capture our world from above, unlocking limitless creative opportunities. Among the much-anticipated launches in 2025 is DJI's Mini 5 Pro, a compact drone set to redefine the standard for portable aerial photography and videography. With leaks and rumors fueling the buzz, this drone is expected to deliver an unparalleled combination of features, performance, and convenience, making it an exciting prospect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's dive deep into the Mini 5 Pro, exploring its rumored features, potential release date, pricing, and how it compares to other options on the market. When will the DJI Mini 5 Pro launch? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to arrive in mid-2025, with a projected release window during the summer months. Although DJI hasn't officially announced the launch date, past trends from the Mini series suggest this timeline aligns perfectly with the company's typical release strategy. Each iteration of DJI's Mini lineup has brought notable advancements, and the Mini 5 Pro seems no different. By blending portability with professional-grade features, this release could potentially transform the drone industry yet again. Why is this launch significant? With drones becoming a key tool in content creation, mapping, and exploration, the Mini 5 Pro could democratize high-quality aerial imaging. It's not just another compact drone. It's poised to deliver pro-level performance in a lightweight package. Revolutionary camera upgrades, next-level imaging. One of the most thrilling aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its rumored camera system, which promises to elevate aerial photography to new heights. Sharper resolution and frame rates. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 4K camera capable of recording at 60 frames per second, a huge leap from its predecessor, the Mini 4, which capped at 2.7K. This upgrade means you can expect buttery-smooth, crystal-clear footage, whether you're shooting action scenes or serene landscapes. For content creators, this advancement is a game-changer. You can now achieve cinematic quality results without the bulk of larger drones. Whether you're creating travel vlogs, documentaries, or real estate footage, the Mini 5 Pro offers exceptional flexibility. Enhanced low-light performance. Another key improvement is the low-light performance sensor, rumored to handle challenging lighting conditions with finesse. From golden hour shots to night photography, this sensor ensures vibrant colors and reduced noise, delivering top-tier image quality. Professional photographers and videographers will find this feature invaluable as it expands creative possibilities in both urban and natural settings. Extended flight time. More minutes, more creativity. Flight time is a critical factor for drone enthusiasts, and the Mini 5 Pro aims to deliver. Rumors suggest a maximum flight time of 35 minutes, surpassing the Mini 4's 30-minute limit. While 5 additional minutes might seem minor on paper, in real-world scenarios, it's transformative. Extended flight times provide more opportunities to explore, shoot, and perfect your footage without frequent battery swaps. Who benefits the most? Outdoor adventurers, wildlife photographers, and filmmakers operating in remote areas will particularly appreciate this upgrade. The longer airtime means less stress and more focus on creativity. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Fly safer, capture smarter. DJI consistently prioritizes safety, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to push the envelope further with an advanced obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with strategically placed sensors, this drone can detect and avoid obstacles from multiple directions, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Whether you're navigating through dense forests or shooting in bustling urban environments, the Mini 5 Pro's advanced safety features reduce the risk of accidents. Confidence in every flight. This robust system doesn't just protect your drone. It also enables more ambitious creative projects, such as low-altitude shots in tight spaces or high-speed chases through complex terrains. How does the Mini 5 Pro compare? With so many options on the market, where does the Mini 5 Pro stand? Mini 5 Pro versus Mini 4. The Mini 5 Pro marks a significant upgrade over the Mini 4. From better camera quality to longer flight times and improved safety features, it's clear that this new model is designed for users seeking a step up in performance. Mini 5 Pro versus premium models. While the Mini 5 Pro might not rival higher-end drones like the DJI Air 2S or Mavic 3 in terms of sheer power, it holds its ground as a compact, budget-friendly alternative. For example, the Air 2S offers 5.4K video capabilities, but the Mini 5 Pro's 4K at 60 FPS delivers exceptional results at a more accessible price point. This balance of portability, performance, and affordability makes the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for a broad range of users, from hobbyists to professional creators. Pricing: affordable pro-level performance. The Mini 5 Pro's pricing remains speculative, but leaks suggest it will cost slightly more than the Mini 4. This modest increase reflects the enhanced features and capabilities of the new model. For users looking to achieve professional quality results without splurging on top-tier models, the Mini 5 Pro presents an excellent value proposition. Its affordability ensures it remains within reach of enthusiasts while delivering features that rival more expensive drones. Why the DJI Mini 5 Pro matters. Drones are no longer niche gadgets. They're essential tools for storytelling, exploration, and innovation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro embodies this shift, offering groundbreaking features that cater to both casual users and professionals. Top features to look forward to: 4K video recording at 60 FPS for ultra-smooth footage. Improved low-light performance for stunning night and sunset shots. Extended 35-minute flight time for greater creative freedom. Advanced obstacle avoidance for safer, more confident flights. Compact and lightweight design for easy portability. Final thoughts: a revolution in the making. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone. It's a beacon of what's possible in compact aerial technology. With its blend of cutting-edge features, improved safety, and accessible pricing, it's poised to become a go-to device for anyone passionate about capturing the world from above. As the official launch date approaches, the excitement surrounding this release is palpable. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or an experienced creator seeking a reliable, portable option, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know in the comments what feature excites you the most about the DJI Mini 5 Pro.